In Shiga Prefecture next to Kyoto, there is a big Shinto shrine called Taga Taisha. Rumor has it that an unusual type of shaved ice can be eaten at a store somewhere around here, so I've decided to give it a try. It's really hot today. I hope eating it will help me cool down a little. The store, called Enjudō Honpo, is well known and more than 140 years old. Their most famous product is a traditional sweet called itokiri-mochi. It's a sticky rice cake filled with anko, a sweet paste made from azuki beans and sugar. What's special about it is its texture. It's so soft that it can be cut with a piece of string instead of a knife. Today, I'll try the limited time summer offer, shaved ice with matcha taste and a topping of itokiri-mochi. In Japan, matcha is not only drunk as tea, but also used as a flavor in many sweets, just like this shaved ice with matcha taste. It's very popular among all age groups. After pouring matcha syrup on top, even more ice is added. This step is repeated 2 to 3 times. The store staff put something into the middle of the ice, so this is the fabled itokiri-mochi. Shaved ice with matcha syrup and a helping of sweet azuki beans is called ujikintoki and can be eaten almost anywhere in Japan, but this special itokiri-mochi topping can only be enjoyed here. Finally, lots of matcha syrup is poured onto the ice again. Add 2 more itokiri-mochi and voila, it's finished! The crisp, airy ice and the soft rice cake go really well together, and the sweet azuki bean paste is pure bliss in this hot weather. The itokiri-mochi inside the ice has become a little firmer, but it's just as tasty. This will become a good memory to cool down on hot summer days. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also check out our other uploads. Have fun and see you next time!